Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are basically gonna do oil change of my Toyota Tacoma 2017 Sport Edition. We're gonna make it easy at this time. We are going to install this drain plug valve para mas madali ang pag-oil change. So basically, this is like a faucet. You close it. I think this is on, right? You can see it through, right? So you turn it on, you shut it off para hindi na tumapo ng oil. Pang drain lang ito. Kaya natin gagawin to para i-replace na natin yung drain plug ng oil pan para easier pagka mag-oil change ka. So gawin po natin to. Gawin natin to para sa future mas madali na ang pag-oil change. Now the oil is draining. Alright. I'm gonna take this off. Para yung oil merong intake. What the fuck? Ugh, shit. Super tight. Let's grab this. Gonna loosen it hanggang sa mag-drain. So I don't think we still have to put the brass ring. I don't think so. Should be good, but it's gonna stick out a bit more. So instead of like this will be sticking out, we got a whole like about what? It's like an inch. Yes. Fuck it. If it breaks, it breaks, but it's gonna make it easy. Mataas naman ang truck ko. So, hindi naman sasayad siguro yan. Mataas naman ko. Drain na tayo ng oil. Go back. Ito po ilalagay natin. Pagkahaluin na po natin ang full synthetic, high mileage, full synthetic. This is full synthetic too. I don't know why it's red. Should be the same thing. If you guys know the difference, let me know. Provide optimal wear protection. Okay, deliver strong engine performance. It should be good. Not a big difference here as long as it's both full synthetic. You know, it's good. Alright, we're gonna wait till we drain the engine and then we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now that we finished draining, gawin natin. Galing natin ito para mag-drain. Nakalimutan pala tayo. Oops, may nakalimutan tayo. Ito po ang ating oil filter. So what we're going to do, there should be a drain here. Ito po ang filter. Let's put it on the side. And then we grab our drain kit. Ito po ang drain kit. Pa-plug in po natin to doon para mag-drain. Oops. Pihit lang po natin dyan at mag-drain na po ang ating oil filter. Konti lang yan. It's not gonna be that much. Kaya naman natin i-drain yan para pag tinanggal natin itong cap na to, hugutin to, hindi puno ng oil na matatapon sa sarili natin. It's about to be done. Tama na po yan. Tagal. Hindi naman tayo maarte. Tanggalin na natin yan. So what we're gonna grab our tool. Now that we got the oil filter, natin yan. Palitan po natin ang rubber gasket. This is the rubber gasket. Comes with a new one. Pag bumili kayo ng filter, may kasamang rubber seal gasket. Alright. Nagdumi na tayo, okay lang. Wala pang gloves. Then, the bottom one too. There's a rubber gasket here. I pulled that one out, the old one. Got the new one here. Should stick snug. Ganyan lang po. And then, let's grab the piece that comes here. Ito po yung drain cap, where you put the drain cap. Then, now everything is back. We get our new filter. For Toyota Tacoma, we use size 9972 from Fran. So you slide this thing in here like that, lock in place. Then we're gonna go under the vehicle again. Now pull it back like that. All right. Okay. Sure it's snug. That's a good amount of pressure I'm putting. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna grab our easy valve, and of course, we're gonna use an open wrench. I believe this is a 12 millimeter, right? I think this is 12. I think this is 12 if I'm not mistaken. So fuck it, I am gonna assume it's 12 millimeter. Let's grab the rag and then a valve. We go under. Huh? Nope, hindi na. Thank you.
You want me to hold that or something?
I'm gonna go under.
No.
I'm gonna go under. Yeah, if you wanna, pwede ka mag-lay down doon. Gusto mo?
I just showered.
You just showered? Okay, never mind. Alright, I'm gonna do it myself then.
So.
It's okay. Okay, so now that we got our drain plug, drain valve, what we wanted to do is wipe this off. Get the valve. Oh, perfect snug. Perfect snug. So turn it on. Put it on, I mean. Okay. So this is drain position, and then close position. Let's see if there's more oil gonna leak. See, easy. So next time I'm gonna do an oil change, I'm just gonna go like this and drain the fucking oil. Alright. Okay, now. Alright, we don't have no funnel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab one of this. Ubos na po tayo ng funnel. Grab yourself a bottle. Grab yourself a bottle. Okay. Gawa po tayo ng funnel. Dahil wala tayong funnel. Coca-Cola. We are a sponsor of Coca-Cola. Okay, now that we make a funnel, wipe it off. Make sure it's Coke free. This is the ghetto style. Hindi ko makita kung saan napunta ang funnel. Lagi na lang nawawala. So maubos ang oras natin maghanap. Just gonna make our own funnel. Alright. Okay. So now that we are all cleaned up, I'm gonna put this shit here. Alright. So I'm gonna pour all of this. Pour all of this. Okay. Alright. I know my engine takes 6 quarts of oil, of motor oil. Alam mo tayong baguhan na giniginaw kasi ko. So, we're ready to pour the whole gallon. Now we have 2 quarts of oil left over here. Dahil ako po ang nag-oil change ng mga sasakyan ko, may mga natitirang oil. Lagay natin about 1 quarts and then let's check the dipstick. Yep, I did 1 quarts. 1 quart without S. It's singular. Alright, so let's see. This is where you can find the dipstick. You see this? You pull it out, and then this is the thing what they call dipstick, right? So you pull it out, you wipe it off. Now it's clean. You dip it in, put it back. You dip it in, push it all the way down like that, and then pull it back out again. Oops. When you pull it out, you should be able to see where the oil is. You see that first hole? First hole, that's low, and this is high. This is max. You don't want to go over this second hole. You want to go in between. I like to go high, max, but I don't want to go low or middle. I always want to fill it up all the way up here. But if you're lower than this hole here, then it's not good. So let's wipe it off again and see where we at. We're still gonna start the engine and then wait for the oil to get up and settle itself, and we'll see. It's the engine oil cap, and start the engine. Check po natin kung double check natin kung sarado ang drain plug na nilagay natin. So the drain plug, plug's not a plug no more. That's the valve. Kung naka-on ang valve, magli-leak ang oil. So far so good. No leak. So we're gonna pull all this shit out here. But start natin ang engine. Start po natin ang engine, and then that way we can see if the oil's gonna settle to the correct reading from that dipstick. Let's see. Okay, now that we got the engine running for a while, isa pang rev ha, para mag-settle down lang yung para mag-settle down lang yung oil sa engine. So rev it, then we'll turn off the engine. Dapat yung oil na yung unsettled na. Let's see if it still needs more oil. Let's check the dipstick again. Of course, you want to pull it out and clean it. Then put it back in. Push it all the way down. And then look at it. Okay, we have a good amount of oil. We have a good amount of oil. We're good. We are done, guys. I'd like to wipe off my engine after work. After working on the engine, I like to clean them up a little bit. Just wipe it off. That's a V6 3.0 no, 4, 3.7, 3.8 liter. Yeah. Gone. And then I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna show you how to reset the. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the engine from the main computer, from the computer box. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. Then put back my rag here. Tinatago ko lang po dyan. Tago dyan. Done. Reset it.